Alright, good evening, guys. So this is the evening recap. Okay, so currently we are on Monday. Alright, so on Monday, as you can see, as we expected, there's no movement. Okay, we didn't see anything interesting at the moment. As I see, we had this huge expansion and you have CPI, which is coming next. Okay, so I was talking about the upward price action. Okay, but as I say, it's very say fragile. Like we need to take our time. Okay, we should not rush anything at the moment. Okay, so currently that's what we have. Okay, we have these weeks. Okay, have the weeks. That means we have a kind of reaction right here. So if you want to see the XY being bullish, we are supposed to see the yields being bullish. So here at the moment, I was using this discount PD array on the daily. Alright, so let me just show right here. Yeah, perfect. So based on what I have, okay, when we type inside this premium, okay, if the price was supposed to be bullish, we could use this one as a rejection, so as our launch pad. But based on what we have, the last Friday we have this week, okay, so it seems like the price reacted to this one, but it couldn't go up here. So I think this February gap is playing the role of the resistance. As you can see, we have the H4, which is bearish, and based on what I have at the moment, I think trying to buy the XY is not really the best option because the yields are not showing us the strength like the expectation on the market. So what are they thinking about, like the investors? Are they very confident? Are they expecting the price to be bullish? We are supposed to see that right here, but that's not the case. So at the moment, I'm still going to sit on my hands. Okay, so as you can see, the price is closing. So I think we can see some bearishness. So if you want to see some bearishness here, what I'm going to think about is going to be quite simple because currently the H4 is bearish. Okay, you have this full imbalance, the price has rejected and so on. So I think the nearest target objective could be this low here, and then have this low. Okay, so let's think about the price. So here I'm trying to analyze how the price is behaving. Okay, up close candle, this one closing below it, have some wicks and so on. So premium, internal to external. So currently this is a daily, and you have the H4 which is following. So I think tomorrow, okay, tomorrow I'm not going to trade tomorrow. I think I'm not going to trade. Okay, but in case we see some bearishness, okay, here, in case we see some bearishness, I think we could easily go lower. That's what I'm thinking about. So I think tomorrow, okay, if I have the opportunity to sell the XY, I will. I know I was first thinking about the bearish the bullishness of the XY, but we also need to be very, let's say, agile. Okay, we need to adapt based on the price feedback. So input intraday. So currently that's what I'm thinking about. Okay, so as long as this is holding or is rejecting the price, okay, I think tomorrow I could sell the XY. But let me just quickly take a look at the economic calendar. So first factory. Okay, so when it comes to first factory, let me check the calendar. As you can see, tomorrow yeah, we have job openings, so I think it's going to be at 10. So tomorrow 7:30 and then 9 a.m. are going to be my the times I'm going to use to check it. So if the XY has to be bearish, okay, I think Euro and GBP USD can easily hit the target objective. So here you can see that I have been able to type into this discount PD array. Okay, so I think we have something interesting when it comes to this weekly candle range. So you have Monday, that means the low. Okay, now you have the low, you have this kind of manipulation. So I think we can have a small profile where we can have a reversal. Okay, so currently you have a continuation, okay, the retracement, so we are expecting the continuation on the macro, but on the micro, okay, the lower time frame, have this fair value gap right here, and I think you can easily find an opportunity tomorrow during the London session right here. So possible. So we took this low. Okay, let me just quickly express my idea here. So we took this low here. So this could be considered as a manipulation. Okay. So when we do this low, the nearest target objective is going to be this high. Okay. So keep in mind that the market is looking for liquidity and then imbalance. Okay. So here you have our liquidity somewhere here. Okay, we took this low. So if this is the turtle soup, okay, we can have something like this where the market can close above this fair value gap, and it's going to be used as an inverse fair value gap. So as an inverse fair value gap, we could use it as a launch pad. Okay, so as long as we don't really violate this one, I think this low can hold, and then you can use it and then push higher. So that's currently what I'm thinking about. Okay, so that's it for GBP USD, and target objective, I think, is going to be the one you have in daily. So let me just put here intraday. Alright, so this is just our expectation. Okay, so every time when we do our analysis, we have the expectation. Now the market, is it going to follow our expectations? It depends. That's why we need to make sure to check the price action to see what's happening. So we could have this one shot, one kill trade. Okay, if for real Tuesday, okay, or Monday is making the low of the week. Okay, so we can just take advantage of this opportunity. Okay, when it comes to our new market maker buy model. Okay, so the new profile. So currently that's what I'm thinking about. Okay, and I'll keep you updated. Okay, so between DXY and between GBP USD and Euro USD, which one is going to be the best? I said I think Euro is showing a lot of willingness to go higher compared to GBP. Alright, so here you can easily see it. Okay, so I think you have this really well balanced. We are currently within this PDR array. So due to the proximity of this rejection block in this high, I think if the daily is holding, okay, have the discount here, have a kind of partial chain right here. So I think you could have something like this. Okay, so maybe you can use this one as a launch pad. It depends on the proximity though. Maybe you could use this one as a launch pad to push higher. So tomorrow we are going to check the price action and then confirm if you have anything which is clear at the moment. Okay, so currently my bullish price action on DXY is not really clear. Okay, so we just check and then see if there's any new update. So that's all for tonight, guys. See you tomorrow, and then I'll keep you updated.